Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to disable the new tab icon on Google Chrome. If you're looking to streamline your browser experience and remove that extra clutter, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, you'll notice the familiar interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. There, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for customizing your browsing experience. Now, from the drop-down menu, scroll down to Settings. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can adjust many aspects of Chrome according to your preferences. On the Settings page, you will want to find the section labeled Toolbar Shortcut. This is where you can manage what appears in your toolbar. Click on it to explore your options. Once you're in the toolbar shortcut settings, you will see different options available for customization. Here, you can choose another option that suits your browsing style better. If you want to remove the new tab icon entirely, simply select an alternative that does not include it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the new tab icon on Google Chrome. This small change can help declutter your toolbar and make your browsing experience more efficient. If you ever decide that you want to bring back the new tab icon, just follow these steps again and select it from the toolbar shortcut options. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. See you in the next video.